everybody, we're headed to C-Day Brunch. I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. I got my Dallas Cowboys cap on. I got a t-shirt. It says, "Because I was inverted," if you don't know what that means. And then I've got these shorts on, these camo shorts. They're comfortable. Does it make my booty look good? My booty? That's my outfit for today. Show you what I got. Got the egg zini style right here, ham, corned beef hash, and sausage. Now there was some potatoes right there, but I moved it over to her plate. So I thought they were more just regular potatoes, but they're not. They got some other crap in there. Did you just take a bite of it? She's about to take a bite of it. Here. No, go ahead. Wait. They're good? What do they taste like?
To me, it tastes like if you were to take potatoes and then put pecani sauce in.
Okay, so yeah, potatoes and pecani sauce. What is that? Peppers?
Peppers and onions.
Peppers and onions. So more of like
Tomatoes.
a Mexican feel to it, right? Kind of. So anyway, which I thought they would just be basic potatoes. So now we know they've changed some stuff up since the last time we were on here. So yeah. At C-Day Brunch. It's 11 o'clock. I'm not ready for lunch. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat lunch. I had a Guy's Burger yesterday. Double meat, but 2 meats on there. And we were like one of the first. That was a good thing about being priority, right? The Lido was empty. Now, shoot. We swung up through the Lido because I like to get in those little chocolate muffin things. They were out. There's so many people. Oh, by the way, so we had C-Day Brunch, and I guess what a lot of people don't know, you could check in on your phone, and you could wait in your room. It never fails. Every cruise, we see people waiting out just outside the restaurant. You know, looking at their phone, waiting for a notification, and I'm like, you could wait in your room. And you know, then when you get the notification, you can walk down. There's plenty of time, but and that's what we do. We just go straight down. Where you know, people, I guess they check in there, and then they just gotta be first. I don't know why we're in a rush. It makes it difficult to, when you do get down there, you have to weed through people. It was even worse when we left the restaurant, trying to weed through people to find the stairs. So yeah, just check in on your hub app, you know, and they'll send you a notification when your table's ready, and you got 10 minutes to get down there. So that's the easy way to do it. You're not in a rush, and you're not waiting in a line. So anyway, I'm gonna get some work done, and I don't know what we're doing for lunch, if anything. We don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Anybody tell me what that is? It's not a starfish. But our room steward's given us some great bathrobes and ice.
Why?
Sarcastic humor. It feels absolutely amazing out here. It's formal night tonight, and guess who's not getting formal or elegant or whatever they call it? It's me and her. We're just going to eat at the buffet. We've done this for the last few cruises, right, where we don't dress up, and their buffet's not bad. So, but I'm just out here just lounging. Earlier this afternoon, my wife, she was taking a nap out here. And I forgot how comfortable this thing is. And it feels amazing out here. There's some clouds, and it's there's some weather, you know. It's as of right now, there's no tropical storm, but you know, there is some development out here, which I'm not gonna lie, it's not gonna hurt my feelings not one bit if we sailed through a tropical storm or even a hurricane. That would be actually pretty cool. We've had great weather on pretty much all our cruises and never went through a tropical storm. We just hope it doesn't happen next week, because this itinerary we have Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel, and not my favorite itinerary, but next week is my favorite itinerary. And so we want some great weather in Honduras, let's just say that. But it is an absolute awesome day out here, because the clouds are shading the sun, because we're on the starboard side and the sun's like back over here, when usually if there was no clouds out here it'd be hot. The sun would be just, but there's enough breeze and shade from the clouds. No rain just yet, but I'm hoping to see some like lightning and stuff tonight. That'd be awesome. I'm trying to think if I've ever seen lightning out at sea. I'm pretty sure I have, but it just doesn't really, I can't really recall. But anyway, this is the perks of having a grand suite, is this lounger on a big old balcony. Beautiful day. Awesome day to lounge around. First full sea day. I could see us doing this all week long for the next 2 weeks. What's up, everybody? So we are in the Havana area for the first time on this cruise, besides I think we got a drink here on our first day yesterday, but anyways, we like to come here in the evening like this because most everybody's gone to eat, and we already ate, and they're doing their thing, and this is like super quiet and super chill. And it's already like that anyway, but we came down here last night and there was a lot of people down here. We're just excited about being down here, but what we figured on the last time we had the Havana is like later on in the cruise, there's less and less people around here, and it's a great time to come in here. So anyway, we're swimming, and guess what? Taking you underwater. So back to our room, and I need to get a shower. You know, my beard is weird. So we got in the pool and a hot tub. I tell you what, it's lightning back behind us, and we were sitting there watching the lightning from our hot tub. And on top of that, I looked up and we saw Starlink. I was seeing all these like dots in the sky, and they were like flying, and I was like, are we under attack by aliens or something? And then, oh no, that's Starlink. First time I've seen of that. So there was like a whole bunch of dots in the sky. Creeped me out a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, I'm waiting on her. I'm gonna go rinse off and get some dry clothes on and all that. So great day today, first sea day of a back-to-back. I can't say it enough because we're here 2 weeks. But anyways, that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for another video with sea day number 2 coming up. 73.